Hey everyone, welcome back to part 2 of our kitchen design series. In the first part, we created a detailed 2D kitchen plan in AutoCAD. Now in this video, we're going to take that plan and transform it into a 3D model using 3D Max quickly and easily. I'll show you a super easy method to bring your 2D blueprint to life without wasting time on complex steps. This technique will help you speed up your workflow while maintaining precision and detail. Make sure to watch till the end to see the full transformation. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the final part of the series. Let's get started. All right, first, using the rectangle tool, we'll start drawing the cabinets one by one based on the 2D plan we imported into the scene. Now all we need to do is select the cabinets with the same depth and use the bevel tool to define their depth, the gaps between them, and the door thickness. Here, I've set the cabinet depth to 60, the gap between the doors to -0.3, and the door thickness to 1.6 millimeters. For the wall cabinets, I've set the depth to 35. And that's a wrap for the 3D modeling of this kitchen. In the next part, we'll bring this design to life with realistic materials, textures, and finishes. If you're excited for the next part, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button so you don't miss it. Also, drop a comment below and let me know what you think about this tutorial and what other topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. See you in the next one.